How to close Al Hilal bank account or cancel Al Hilal bank account. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is, of course, you'll have to settle all charges, payments, or maybe existing loans that you have directly from the application so that you will still have time to, provide payments on those existing ones. Or if you do have any existing balance do you have from Halal Bank, you need to transfer it over directly to your or to one of your active bank as soon as possible so that you can cancel or request for account closure. Now to do this, all you have to do is just to head into the Halal customer service from here. You can go into contact us directly, but before you do so, you need to download your closure form, which somewhat actually look like this. All you have to do is just use your web browser and search for Al Hilal Bank account closure form, and this should what it look like. Once you fill this out, all you have to do next is simply upload them into the contact support on Al Hilal Bank's official website. And that is how you close your Al Hilal bank account.